There's a beautiful relationship between the white bark pine tree and the Clark's nutcracker. The white bark pine tree needs the Clark's nutcracker in order to propagate, and the Clark's nutcracker actually utilizes the white bark pine nuts for food. They cache them. So what the Clark's nutcracker does, they have this sublingual pouch, and once the white bark pine nut becomes ripe, the end of July, beginning of August, the nutcracker stuffs about 20 nuts in its pouch and flies up to 21 miles, planting these little seeds, caching these seeds. They say they can plant between 35,000 and 100,000 nuts per year, and they have an amazing location-specific memory, spatial location memory, where they can memorize where all of these caches are at a minimum of 12,000. But they don't necessarily remember where all of the nuts are. They forget, or something happens, and all of a sudden a new white bark pine tree comes about. And this is a great example of what's called obligate mutualism, where the white bark pine tree actually needs the Clark's nutcracker in order to survive.